Africa Twin is back, and it's bolder, smarter, and more unstoppable than ever. For 2026, Honda has taken everything we loved about the Africa Twin 1100 and dialed it up. Whether you're a hardcore adventurer or a weekend explorer, the 2026 Africa Twin 1100 promises a ride that's as thrilling as it is refined. Welcome to Z Auto Advisor, where we explore the machines that move your soul. Today, we dive deep into what makes the latest Africa Twin a game-changer in the ADV world. Engine and performance. Power meets precision. At the heart of the 2026 Africa Twin 1100 is the familiar 1084cc parallel twin engine, but it's now been retuned for improved mid-range torque and smoother power delivery. Honda's engineers have optimized combustion and refined the ECU mapping to offer sharper throttle response, especially noticeable during off-road maneuvers or rapid overtakes on the highway. Horsepower sits around 102 GP, but the real magic is in how the power is delivered. With its updated ride-by-wire system and new low-inertia crankshaft, the Africa Twin now accelerates more intuitively and feels more alive than ever before. Paired with Honda's optional DCT, dual-clutch transmission, gear shifts are lightning fast and climbing steep terrains feels effortless. Design and ergonomics, rugged meets refined. Visually, the 2026 Africa Twin has matured. It now features sharper fairings, an aggressive front beak, and a slightly taller windscreen for better protection against wind buffeting. New LED lighting with integrated turn signals adds a premium and modern touch. Riders will notice improved seat padding and adjustable ergonomics. Whether you're 5, 7 inches, or 6 or 3, the Africa Twin accommodates a wide range of body types thanks to its adjustable seat height and handlebar position. For long-distance comfort, the saddle feels more touring-focused than ever, with less fatigue even after hours in the saddle. Off-road capability, born to roam. Off-road performance has always been the Africa Twin's stronghold, and 2026 takes it further. With long-travel Showa EERA, electronically equipped ride adjustment suspension, the bike automatically adjusts damping based on terrain conditions. Whether you're smashing through gravel, gliding over dunes, or crawling over rocks, the suspension adapts on the fly. Ground clearance remains generous at 250 mm, and new traction control algorithms offer better grip without being intrusive. The inclusion of a switchable ABS for off-road ensures you're always in control when things get technical. On-road touring, comfort in the fast lane. On the tarmac, the Africa Twin is a plush and composed traveler. Cruise control is now standard, and a smoother 6-speed gearbox for manual versions means long highway rides are more relaxed. The revised frame geometry gives improved stability at high speeds and offers confident cornering even with panniers fully loaded. Wind protection has improved significantly, making it easier to cover big distances. Paired with an updated infotainment display, complete with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, this adventure bike doubles as a high-tech tourer. Technology and electronics, smarter than ever. Honda's new TFT display is brighter, faster, and more customizable. It includes turn-by-turn navigation, ride modes, tire pressure monitoring, and even Bluetooth helmet pairing. The 2026 model introduces a new feature, terrain-based ride mode presets. Simply select sand, mud, gravel, or tour, and the bike adapts throttle sensitivity, suspension, ABS, and traction accordingly. Cornering ABS, wheelie control, rear lift control, and even hill start assist. Yes, the Africa Twin now has it all. For tech lovers, it's an adventure-ready gadget on 2 wheels. Fuel economy and range go the distance. Honda has managed to squeeze out better fuel efficiency with revised fueling strategies. The 18.8-liter tank now gives a real-world range of around 400 kilometers, depending on riding style and terrain. That's more time riding and less time refueling, exactly what an adventure bike should offer. Final thoughts, worth the hype? The 2026 Africa Twin 1100 doesn't reinvent the wheel, it perfects it. With smarter tech, better comfort, and refined off-road ability, this bike remains one of the most complete adventure motorcycles on the market. Honda has done what it does best, evolving the Africa Twin without losing its soul. If you want a machine that can commute during the week, tour across countries on weekends, and tackle remote trails in between. The 2026 Africa Twin 1100 might just be your next ride. Subscribe for more. This was a deep dive into the 2026 Honda Africa Twin 1100, brought to you by Z Auto Advisor. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews, comparisons, and motorcycle adventures. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Is this Africa Twin your dream ADV bike, or are you holding out for something else? Stay safe, ride hard, and we'll see you in the next one. Ruane.